Hi, my name is Alan Grilley, IREC lead. It is my pleasure to introduce OTIS and the IREC 2025 team.
Sophia Camiso, Structures lead.
Alex Mazarski and Jonathan Godfrey, Payload leads.
Emma Ferraro,
Steven Zelazny,
Avionics leads.
Juno Afko, Recovery lead.
Kyle Schur, Analysis lead.
Why did your team enter IREC?
As a club, we have an ultimate goal of flying a space shot. IREC just gives us that extra step up. It gives us the pressure and the kind of the spirit of competition that allows us to really develop our skills as Rocketeers and as engineers.
It's an engineering challenge, and so it's just, if there's a problem, just fix it. You don't have to think about anything else. You're just totally locked in on, the only thing my job is to do is to get this payload in the rocket and the rocket in the air and then get it back.
What's your favorite technical aspect of the rocket this year?
Our live video system is probably the most interesting to me because the heating, which you didn't really initially consider quite as much as we probably should have. And what that means is that everyone kind of has to work together in a really interesting interface of all the different systems to try to figure out the heating. Because you got avionics people sitting there trying to figure out what the best orientation is for the board and how to make sure we actually receive the signal. We have mechanical engineers trying to figure out, okay, how are we going to actually mount this? How are we going to anticipate the heat? And you have the software side trying to figure out, okay, how can we actually process this information in a way that actually makes sense for the audience and makes sense if you're trying to visualize what's happening on the rocket during flight.
Launch initiative T-144, flying 10K cot, we have a green light. Your skies, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yep.
Lift off.